Hi guys, it's me, ColorMeCassie, and today I have my February 2018 Sephora Play unboxing. So guys, this is the Sephora Play bag this month. It's got a red heart, and it kind of looks like Betty Boop in the middle, but I don't think that's who it's meant to be. And it says, feel the love. I do feel the love, Sephora. I do feel the love. Popping this guy open, and the first thing I see in here is this Altier cologne. I don't know exactly what this is. Hold on, let me open it. I think it's a fragrance, but I'm not sure what kind of fragrance. And it's loud, the packaging is so loud. This is a brand of perfume that I've really liked before. They had kind of a citrus perfume before that I really enjoyed, and this one smells really vanilla-y and I like it, so I'll definitely get some use out of this. Fragrances are not my favorite thing to get in boxes because I'm never sure if I'm going to like them or not, but I do really like this brand of perfume, and I've loved the citrus one that I've had before, so this one I think will be very good. Next thing I see in here is a NARS Velvet Lip Pencil! I'm sorry you guys, that was way too loud. That probably blew your ears out, but I'm so excited. I love NARS lip products, and they're way too expensive for me to afford on the regular. I can't get the box open. Boxes are too hard. Nope, not gonna happen. I am cutting the box open. This is what it's come to, you guys. It's Cassie proof, and we're cutting the box. You guys, I'm so excited. This looks like a really cute color too. So I'm definitely excited about that. A pretty kind of fuchsia-y shade. Almost red. Almost a red fuchsia. NARS products are always pretty expensive, so this is definitely something I'll enjoy. And I've loved the NARS matte pencils that I've had in the past, so I'm very excited. I'm very excited about this. And the next thing I'm seeing in here, it looks like a Sephora lipstick sample in the color Rebel Chick, and this is pretty small. I actually got a bigger NARS sample than I did the Sephora sample. This is the Sephora sample, and this is the NARS sample. So, I mean, we either got a really bad Sephora sample or a really good NARS sample. Oh my goodness, it just flew out of the tube onto the floor. Can you say not in there securely? Maybe I'll contact them about that because it just is completely disconnected and broken off. It's a cute color too. Yeah, definitely kind of a dark burgundy-ish type color. And that's a color that I really enjoy, so that's really sad that it broke. Maybe I'll contact Sephora and see if they'll replace it. I've never had to contact Sephora about Sephora Play before. Usually it's packed pretty well, so I don't know. That is really a bummer though, because it's a really pretty color. The next thing I'm seeing in here is this Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel Exfoliant. That is fun. It's a peeling mask, and I'm excited about that. I really like peeling masks, especially in the winter, because I feel like my skin gets so dry and I just need to get all that dead stuff off the top. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? Next thing I'm seeing here is a Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm sample. So this is pretty small as well. There's just like this, they try to make the packaging seem bigger than it actually is, but you can see in the back of this thing, there is a huge space between the edge of this and where the product actually is. So there's not a whole lot actually in there. I mean, it's a decent amount for an eye product, but yeah, it's not even full. So I would say this is probably about equivalent to the sample that you'd get if you went into Sephora and asked for a sample of it. A little bit disappointed in the size of this, but the product itself is good. I like getting eye creams. I feel like it's never too early to start taking care of your under eyes because we all know, you know, especially those of us with more expressive faces, those lines tend to come before you think they will. It's just a good time to start doing that. And the last thing I see in here is a Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Eye Color Stick. They put the label across the opening so you can't get it open. I cannot get into this. It's Cassie proof. So many things are Cassie proof today, you guys. Finally got it open. It is a really pretty golden color, and yeah, that'll be really fun on the eyes, definitely. So in Sephora Play, I think we got good products this month, but pretty much all of them are smaller sample sizes with the exception of the NARS lip product. I feel like maybe I got better sample sizes in some of my other $10 boxes, so this is slightly disappointing. I do think I got a good value in this month's box, so Sephora definitely pulls through if you want brands that you know, brands that you trust, and you want to get samples so that you can try out brands. Sephora Play is really trustworthy as far as you're going to get good stuff, but it might not be full-size products. It's probably not going to be full-size products. Think about it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big, huge thumbs up and let me know what you thought of this month's Sephora Play in the comments down below. What was your favorite product? Do you think this box was good or bad? If you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so to get on more beauty unboxings in the future. That's pretty much it. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!